Let's talk about something that I've struggled with, which is calls to action. A call to action is when you, at some point in your interaction with somebody, you give them another action to do. The most famous would be the smash that subscribe button or pound that like button or leave a comment. The pre-order button on a trailer that you're watching for a new video game, that's a call to action. The idea of a call to action is to take the interaction, take the engagement that you're currently having with somebody and try to turn that into subsequent action. They are at arguably their highest point of engagement, and so you're giving them something to do to continue that engagement. A call to action can actually help a person's engagement because it gives them more to do, more ability to actually engage in this thing that they're currently interested in. So while for those of us that are supposed to be making calls to action, it can feel really awkward and really forced, if done well, if done smoothly, it can actually be really good. It can actually make that person more excited, more interested. So all of us need to try to keep that in mind and think about the fact that these can actually be a value add to people. There's a time and a place for a call to action. You don't want to open your video by asking someone to like or subscribe. They literally don't even know what's going on yet. So asking them to engage at that point is the wrong moment. It's also often not the right moment at the end of the engagement to ask for a call to action, though that can be a little bit more controversial. At the end of the engagement, they've already started to disengage, so asking for that engagement at the very end can potentially lead to a lower engagement level. But that being said, in the middle is problematic as well because you're asking them to stop doing whatever they're doing in order to do the thing that you're asking them to do. Here's the rule of thumb that I'll try to give you is don't do it too early. Do it in the middle if it's something that is very low effort on their part. Hitting the like button on a YouTube video, very low effort, probably should be in the middle of the video, not at the end. If it's something that you need them to do more effort to actually leave the space that they're currently in and go somewhere else. So go to another site to subscribe to a newsletter or to sign up for the pre-order. That probably deserves to be at the end of the interaction. Ideally, you only want to have a single call to action at any moment. This is something that I definitely violate all the time because I'm asking you to become a member and hitting the like button and buying my merch all at the same time, all at the end of the video, where asking you to like the video probably deserves to be in the middle. There are mechanical reasons why you may not be able to keep your number of calls to action down to one, but if at all possible, simplify the next thing you want this person to do as much as you possibly can, because that gives them a clear path to the next thing. So if you are making a video game trailer, try to get them to pre-order. If you are making a video, try to get them to watch the next video. Don't try to get them to watch the next video and subscribe and buy some merch and become a member all at the same time, because you'll probably succeed at getting them to do none of those things. Certainly, this is something that I struggle with. It does feel like something that is an awkward interaction because you're sort of begging someone to take an action. But like I said, a good call to action can be something that actually allows the people that you're interacting with to engage further, and they can actually enjoy the experience if done right. A special thanks to my members. They provide the resources that this channel needs to keep running. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up because that will help YouTube know that it's worth spreading to other people. And we do have merch. This is the shipped is the best feature. If you're interested in picking up some merchandise, there is a shelf below this video. What are some of the best calls to action that you've interacted with? They may be hard to even remember because if they are smooth enough, you may have taken the action without even realizing that you were doing that. Put a comment down below if you had a great call to action experience and talk about it, because some of us could learn from that for sure. And it's interesting to see how we've interacted with other properties and other media. I will see you again soon. Thank you.